Here we go, new helmet. Dun dun dun! Schuberth. Warning, before use, be sure to carefully read the manual and all safety instructions. Five-year warranty if I register it, a manual, all the paperwork. Here we go, Schuberth C3. Let's see, where is the button for the... Oh, right here. There we go. Okay, let's try this thing on. Something very important. Try this. Okay, yeah, these glasses are difficult to get on with a helmet on because the back of them are broke. I need to get some new glasses. Let's see if I can put the helmet on with my glasses on. Guess I can. Okay. Take this helmet off here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. The glasses are messed up. I need to get some new glasses in. But my new helmet, a Schcuberth C3 Lite. It's one of the quietest helmets. It's not quite as Pro, but anyhow, so this is my new helmet, and look forward to using it. I will do a review on it here in the as soon as I start using it. So I've heard a lot of really good things about this helmet, and so far my first impressions of it, it looks like it's a quality, well-made helmet. It fits well, it's comfortable, it looks well made, and what I like is I got a modular one so that on trips I can get a drink of water or something without taking my helmet off. I like it that it clicks, so you can, if you want it right in town and you want to have some airflow so it doesn't fog over. You can put it up a couple clicks or one click or whatever. And yeah, so it's set up for that, and I like that. And then it's made so you it's got a kind of a glasses pockets here, and the quick release, so it's going to be easier to, I don't have to take my gloves off to strap my helmet, so that's really nice. So far I think I'm going to be extremely happy with this helmet. As put some time on it here, and then I will do a review of it and let you all know what I think. I'll do another video, show you what I'm setting it up for vlogging, and putting the communicator in it. Now I've just got to get my Santa set up on here and my GoPro. I've got to figure out where I want the GoPro. I haven't been using this helmet very long, but so far it is by far the most comfortable and the quietest helmet that I've ever owned. So far I think it's worth the money, and I will do a detailed review on it after I have used it for a while, but so far I really like it. Also, I've been riding to work every day, even if it's raining, and as long as I've got the shield shut all the way, no water gets inside. I know some helmets I've had, there's a leak up where at the top of the visor, and I wound up having water blown in on my face, but this one doesn't have that problem. So anyhow, so far I'm really happy with it, and I will do a detailed review here in the near future and let you know what I think.